Welcome to the AI Logo Studio training video series. In this video, we are going to show you how to use the AI section in AI Logo Studio. Go to the left menu and click on AI Content. Now you are on AI Content section. You can create any type of AI content here. Just choose language, variation, creativity level, and prompt. And your content is ready. You can download or copy the result. To generate AI graphics, click on AI Graphics. Just add the prompt, image size, and number of images. And your result is ready. You can download the images. Thanks for watching the video.